Hi, I'm Blake Tucker, aka Dr. Inkwell, and I want you to drink more, I want you to drink well. Happy Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month. Before 1860, Japan was a country with one strict rule: enter or leave upon penalty of death. But as the empire began to open, they sent their first diplomatic delegation to pre-Civil War United States. Tateishi Onojiro-Noriyuki was a young 17-year-old samurai translator for the delegation, and unlike his expressionless counterparts, he engaged the press and public during their tour. He became a darling of the media and the ladies, and was dubbed Tommy. While in New York, the delegation resided just one block from the now famous Jerry Thomas's bar, and they visited frequently. To commemorate their well-recorded first visit to the United States, Jerry created the famous Japanese cocktail, which was standard on bar menus until Prohibition. Here's how to make it. First, you'll need 2 ounces of cognac or brandy, a ½ ounce of orgeat or almond syrup, and 2 dashes of Fee's old-fashioned aromatic bitters. Fill with ice and shake. Strain into a coupe, and garnish with a lemon twist. If you'd like to learn more about this historic Japanese visit, check out the book As We Saw Them by UCSD professor Masao Miyoshi. Cheers!